Hey guys, before we get started, just want to make sure to tell you, make sure to put a big old like on all of my videos, hit that notifications bell, and make sure to comment for the wall of suggestions. Hey guys, what is going on today? It's Amazingly A. Welcome back to another one. So today, I thought about informing you of this thing called Tinkercad, Tinkercad. So it's this little thing to where you can create your own 3D projects, like as you see here. So the other day I made like a little dice, and I'll show you how to use Tinkercad. I'll show you the dice I made the other day. And let me adjust my screen. Right here it says 3D design dice. So yeah, I'm going to print this in a couple days, but before I did that, I was going to show you this. So basically, how you use Tinkercad is like you use it. Let me move this over. So let me actually open up a new design, and I'll leave a description. I'll leave the link in the description. Tinkercad is free, no subscription. That's basically it. So how you use Tinkercad is you place stuff and size it however you want. You can build a house. You can basically build anything. Let me change my grid. I highly advise to when you see edit grid right here, it'll say grid properties. Then you go to units and do inches, and then update grid, and so it'll be like inches. And so you can size it to your desired length. And Tinkercad is pretty cool. You can basically build anything you want with this. I'm gonna make something I made the other day. So basically, all Tinkercad is you create stuff in 3D on the computer, and you can look for local 3D printers in your community, and they're 3D printers like all over the world. You can find them anywhere. So you see, as I pin this thing, and look right here, when I right click and move, this thing moves along with computer. This is called the navigation tool. So you scroll up to zoom, scroll back to zoom out, and you can also use these right here, like zoom in, zoom out, but I like using the scroll. So you see the orange and the red merge together. So what you do, you window it, and you'll have this thing right here. You can either press this and group it, and it will transform into one shape, or let me undo. You can window it and do Control G, and it will do the same thing. So I'm going to do the same thing I did a couple days ago, and you can actually do it too. I make lots of innovative stuff. 45, and then I'm gonna duplicate this. You can either click this or do Control D, and it will just basically duplicate it. And I duplicated it twice because I need 2 of these. Tinkercad is absolutely free. You need no subscription, just an account. And then, so you're probably thinking, yo, it's gonna merge just like the when we merged this. But no, this is, you see how it has the gray lines? You can actually window it and group it, and it'll make a hole. Boom. And it just makes a hole in it. See, no merging anything. Let me actually F11. Great. I'm just gonna go in full screen. So like Tinkercad is absolutely free. So like, I'll explain it to you how we did that. So you're gonna click on one of these things and it'll say hole. That's how you did it. And you have a bunch of these little things like the radius, the steps. Wait, I forgot what that was on. But yeah, you got the length. But yeah, and you just window it and then do that. Another way to customize this is, well, I'm gonna show you how you can get that dice, how you can make that dice. You scroll down here and it says basic shapes, and my screen's a little bit adjusted, but it says dice right here. You get that, and you're gonna use the sizing tool, and so it'll look like that, and size it to your desired length. And if it's a little uneven, like if you click this and then click this square right here, it'll say 0.63. You can actually click that and do 1, and it will be even all around. And so you click basic shapes and go to text and numbers. You scroll all the way down for the numbers, and then boom. So like, how can you put this up here? Well, is this tool right here where you can do this? Hold up. But hold up, it's kind of laggy. You can do this, but you'd have to get it like perfectly on there. Another way to do that is you do this, like you click this. Oh wait, you can't do that, can you? Well, one way to get it up there and make a hole actually is you click work plane and watch the work plane change. 3, 2, 1. So the work plane just elevated to where I clicked. So now the one is completely on top. And so to change the work plane back, you can do 2 things. Click that work plane again, or you click the original work plane. So I'm actually gonna go put all the numbers on there. I'll see you in a minute. Alright, so I put all the numbers on the dice. And so now how to make the holes. You click one and then you get this one on the top and then you put it all the way through. So you do the same with all the other ones. Wait, what? Okay, for these on the side, you have to get this side one. Like, you get this one right here, and then you drag it. And sometimes this will work, sometimes it won't. So sometimes you have to put a hole, have them as holes. And then what you do is window it, and then group them. And then eventually it'll do that, so you have to make them as holes. Alright, and then when you've made them all holes, you window it, and then group them, and then it will lag a little bit, but eventually you'll get your holes. You'll get your holes as your numbers, and that's basically all for this video. If you didn't enjoy this, please like and subscribe. If you want me to do more of these, then like and comment for the wall of suggestions. I will see you guys in the next one.